All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Meow Mall. This is a box of Nakama noodles. This is a subscription box. I just found out about them a couple weeks ago, and yeah, there will be a link, and there's a coupon code, and all that good stuff, and I should be doing a lot of reviews of these boxes pretty quick, so let's crack it open and check this first one out. Oh, wow. Well, cool. When you open the box, you're going to see this little leaflet that tells you about this month's selection, Noodling Across Japan. And then you'll see this other side that has a QR code, which will bring you to the noodle guide. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use that. Go check it out and let you know a little bit about everything that's in this box. All right, the first one we got is the Sapporo Ichiban variety. This is a chicken dashi shoyu ramen. This hails from Hokkaido, at least this style. And yeah, this looks like probably kind of like more the standard range that Sapporo Ichiban does, but a different variation, so cool. Well, folks, I am exceedingly pleased to see this. This is a pack variety, and generally when I've done unboxings of Japanese varieties, they're always cups and bowls, and I love getting packs because I rarely do. This is Myojo Charumera Miso Ramen, and Charumera is, it was kind of like, you know when the ice cream man comes in your neighborhood and they play the little jingle on their vehicle? Well, the Charumera is a little horn, and the guy selling the ramen in Japanese neighborhoods would toot the horn, and then you go, go out there, get some ramen. So this is cool. I'm stoked. All right, the next one we've got is a Myojo Chukazanmai variety, and this is Akasaka Rikyu 5-type thick shoyu ramen. And this Chukazanmai stuff is usually really good. As you can see, it has a sachet on top of the pack that'll have an oil base kind of thing going on with it. And yeah, very cool. Now this is rad. I am super stoked on this. Why? Because I've never seen anything done this way. This is Sapporo Ichiban Fujiro Tonkatsu Shoyu Ramen. And as you can see, it's upside down. This is like, look, it's supposed to be like this. This is how you would find it. I'm looking at the labeling. It's, oh, the side labels. No, that's right side up. Yeah, that's so weird. And then on the top as well, there is a nice large liquid-based sachet. So, yeah, tonkatsu, right on. Let's do this. Next up, we've got a new touch, aka Yamadai Nagoya Taiwan Maze Soba. So, I can't remember the whole deal with these Taiwanese kind of spin-off styles. They don't really have these in Taiwan per se, but I'm guessing maybe there's a little bit of Szechuan pepper going on. Maybe a little bit more of maybe a beef flavor. I'm not sure, but when I review it, I'll let you know. Next up, we've got Nissim Bokumyeon Korean sweet and spicy cheese yakisoba. And I've had the tray version of this a while back, and to see it in a pack form, that I'm stoked. I'm really stoked. Like I said, I never get pack versions, and if these boxes are going to be coming with packs, that's rad. Next up, we've got Nissin Maneki Station Tempura Soba. I'm guessing this is a variety that's popular at a certain train station in an area called Hyogo. I really don't know anything more than that. Let me take a look. Looks fancy. Eki Soba, huh? Yeah, we'll see. Next up, we've got Sapporo Ichiban Hakata Junjo Shinshin Tonkatsu Ramen from Fukuoka. And apparently it's named after a restaurant called Shinshin over there. Creamy tonkatsu. Awesome. And to round out this absolutely awesome box, we've got Marushan Numaru Pepper Nagasaki style champon. So this is going to be kind of like a milky seafood stew soup kind of noodle deal thing, and I'm really looking forward to giving this a try. So wow. All right, so in the March 2024 Meow Mall Nakami Noodles box, you get Maze Soba, Donkatsu, something upside down, a little something from Nissin, Shin Shin, something spicy in a Korean style, Sapporo Ichiban, Chukazanmai, and an informational leaflet. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you should really check these guys out. The link will be in the description or below this video on www.theramenraider.com. If you want to get one of these boxes and you check out that link, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. All right, thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much to Meow Mall for sending this over. I am excited. I even forgot to mention this one again in this box because there's so many varieties. This is really cool. So if you're looking for Japanese varieties, this is it. I'm stoked. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.